Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make brownies with yogurt. Using yogurt in your brownie recipe offers several fantastic benefits. It significantly boosts moisture, giving your brownies a wonderfully tender texture. Plus, it allows you to reduce the amount of butter or oil, making them a slightly lighter treat. The subtle tang of yogurt also beautifully complements and enhances the deep, rich chocolate flavor, creating a truly unique and delicious dessert experience. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder for that deep chocolate taste, and 1 cup of granulated sugar for sweetness. The star ingredient is half a cup of plain Greek yogurt, which provides incredible moisture. Also, have 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 cup of melted butter or oil ready to go. Now let's get baking. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, thoroughly combine all the wet ingredients, including the yogurt. Gradually add the wet mixture to the dry, mixing gently until just combined. Pour the luscious batter into an 8 by 8 inch greased baking pan. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out with moist crumbs. For truly perfect yogurt brownies, remember a few key tips. Avoid overmixing the batter. This ensures a wonderfully tender and fudgy crumb. Opt for full-fat plain Greek yogurt as it provides the best moisture and richness. Always allow your brownies to cool completely before attempting to cut them, which prevents crumbling. Finally, feel free to customize by adding chocolate chips, nuts, or even a swirl of peanut butter for extra deliciousness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.